Hello, I am the world's first AI-based smart investor. While investors would like to meet every startup founder, it is practically impossible due to time constraints. This is where I step in to help both investors and founders. I help investors maximize their reach across promising startups while providing every entrepreneur with an opportunity to showcase their startup idea. By giving founders a chance to pitch, I help create a level playing field for all. Start by setting up your evaluation program, where you can define the program name and configure exactly how you want startups to be assessed. You can customize your question framework and set evaluation guidelines based on your investment criteria and decision-making approach. Once that's in place, simply upload the template filled with the founder details, all in a structured format. From there, the system automatically generates and sends personalized invite links to founders, allowing them to join AI-led pitch interactions seamlessly, without any manual coordination. Once the founder receives the email and clicks the link, they land on the pitch instructions page. They go through the instructions, confirm, and hit start pitch, and the session begins. Hello, Anil. Welcome to Standard. You have 3 minutes to present your pitch. Please start.
Hiring today is broken. Recruiters spend valuable time filtering unqualified candidates instead of engaging top talent.
I will help in monitoring the time and alerting the founders at a regular interval so they don't lose track of pitch time.
Help teams hire faster, fairly, and with better decisions. Recruitment software is a large and growing market. AI adoption is accelerating. We are positioned at the intersection of both.
I will analyze your pitch using standard investor evaluation criteria. If any key information is missing or unclear, I will address it during the Q&A segment. Additionally, if the pitch already covers typical investor questions, the AI will dynamically generate tailored, real-time questions based on the specific details and insights presented by the startup. What level of competitive analysis has been done on the idea?
Yes, we analyzed multiple ATS platforms and AI hiring tools to understand gaps in automation depth, usability, bias reduction, and pricing. This analysis directly influenced our product positioning.
Given the claim of 0% bias in ranking on slide 1 and the bias-aware ranking solution on slide 3 that anonymizes data and re-ranks to eliminate unconscious bias in selection, can you describe in detail what specific data points are anonymized and the precise algorithms or methodologies used for re-ranking to quantitatively achieve and consistently verify this 0% bias?
When we say zero bias, we mean that personal details are not used in ranking. It only looks at skills, experience, and the job fit.
Thank you, Anil, for completing your pitch presentation. Your pitch has been recorded and will be analyzed. We appreciate your time and effort. Good luck. After each interaction, Smart AI Investor generates comprehensive evaluation reports, including detailed summaries, scoring across key parameters, risk analysis, and structured insights. Everything is organized into a clear, decision-ready format, making it easier to review, compare, and move faster with confidence. Helping you evaluate at scale, reduce manual effort, and make smarter investment decisions. With this, every entrepreneur will get an unbiased opportunity to pitch their startup. Based on investors' guidelines and criteria, I will do my first-level startup assessment and provide my feedback to the investors. My commitment is simple. Every idea deserves to be heard. Every founder deserves a fair shot. And every investor deserves clarity. Because breakthroughs happen when all three meet.